Can an LLC file as C Corp? Yes, an LLC can file as a C corporation by submitting Form 8832 to the IRS. This changes how the LLC's income is taxed, but does not change its legal status as an LLC. With C Corp taxation, the LLC pays corporate income tax on its profits. If those profits are distributed to members as dividends, the members also pay tax on the dividends, which results in double taxation. Despite this, some LLCs choose C Corp taxation to take advantage of lower corporate tax rates, reinvest profits in the business, or attract outside investors. This option is typically used by larger businesses planning to scale or bring in significant investment. Smaller businesses often stick with the default pass-through taxation, as it is simpler and more beneficial for most owners. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you file the C Corp election if it's the right choice for your business. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.